Hi everyone, welcome to the tutorial for the Karla loungewear pattern. You can see here we have two views of this pattern. One comes with the summer short set and one is the longer loungewear pant. All is included in the one pattern and we're going to be walking you through a step-by-step process today. What you'll need to complete this project is some scissors, some tape, some measuring pins, some safety pins, thread and fabric. The Karla pattern includes two different views, the easy view and the drawstring view. You will need some elastic for the easy view. Our video guide will walk you through the steps of how to make the drawstring view. For this view, you'll need some cord, drawstring, and a small piece of interfacing. Now let's start to sew. Pin and stitch the front and back sections together at the inside leg and side seams. I've stitched the inside leg and side seams. Now it's time to turn one section right sides out and insert it inside the opposite leg section. Pin the leg sections together along the center seams. Stitch the sections together. I'm using my overlocker here, so it will trim a little of the edges of the seam allowance, which is 1 centimeter or 3/8 of an inch. Create and press a fold line along the entire length of the waistband. Now press a vertical fold line at the center of the waistband also. I've pre-cut my interfacing to the size stated in the Karla sewing steps and marked the center points at the top and lower edges. Turn your waistband section wrong sides up and pin the interfacing to the center of the waistband using the fold lines as a guide. Turn the waistband over to the right side up and mark the buttonholes as instructed by the sewing steps in the Karla pattern instructions. Now it's time to stitch on the buttonholes. We're really fortunate to have automatic buttonholes on this machine, but there's multiple ways you can do that with different machines. I've cut the excess interfacing from the back and opened the buttonholes with my seam ripper. Now it's time to pin and stitch the center back edges of the waistband together. Turn the waistband right sides out, pin and stitch the lower raw edges together. Your waistband should look like this now. Lay the short section with the front section on the top. The front section will be lower than the back, as you can see here. I've sewn the lower edges of the waistband together and will now mark the quarter point marks on the shorts and the waistband sections. Pin the waistband to the shorts. You will see it is slightly smaller than the waist edge. Slightly stretch the band between the quarter points as you sew the waistband to the short section. Here we're just overlocking the edges to make that nice and neat inside. Now it's time to press all of your seams. This is a really important step that really gives that professional look at the end. Pin the hems in position. Now it's time to try on the pants or the shorts, whichever view you made, before you stitch the hems. And that will just help you guide to if you need it a little bit longer or shorter. You can adjust as you please. Then it's time to take your cord or drawstring and attach a safety pin to the end. Thread the drawstring or the cord through your waistband. Cut off any length of cord that you feel fit or that you like for your tie. And that's it. Congratulations, you should be finished your pants or shorts. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It really helps us make more videos like this for you, and like the video, comment if you have any questions. Thanks so much. See you next time.